Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't breathe. It's happening, it's happening, happening. It's real, it's happening, it's real, it's happening. I got the call. I got the call. I can't breathe. You guys. Ah! Today we're doing a video I've been waiting to do for so long. I don't think working to my Birkin. I have worked and I have received and I have got. Well, I got it. They like me. They really like me. And I'm able to offer you this bag, this size, this color, this hardware. I feel like I should accept my first offer. What do you guys think? If I don't like it, should I reject it? What's taboo? Am I already allowed to like make my next wish list, or how long before I make my next wish list? I know I'm already on the next. I got the call. The call was coming from inside the house. You refused the call? No, I didn't. Well, I did refuse the call. You refused the call? Yes, I refused the call. But then I took the call. I got the call. I'm getting my bag. I'm getting my Quota bag. I'm getting my bag. Ah! Oh my god. You guys. I can't even speak. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, I promise. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, a shopaholic, an Hermès ho. And today, working my Birkin. I have worked and I have received and I have got. I got the call. Today we're doing a video I've been waiting to do for so long. A video I'm sure if you guys have been following my journey and following with me, you're waiting and excited to. I got the call. I'm getting my bag. Ah! I can barely contain myself. I can barely breathe. So we're going to talk about it real quick. I haven't gotten it yet. I'm going to go and get it, and then I'm going to do a video after. I'm going to do a video of me going and getting it. This is going to be a 6-part series, obviously. So we're going to talk about it. Then we're going to talk about then I'm going to do a video of getting it, and then I'm going to do a video of unboxing it, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. 3-part series, maybe. Okay, first of all, if you guys have one, give me all the deets in the comments below. What to say, what to not say in the appointment. Can I ask to see other options? Can I ask how the process, how they decided this thing? What's taboo? Am I already allowed to like make my next wish list, or how long before I make my next wish list? I know I'm already on the next one, but like I need to know these things, and I don't want to be like, do I ask to speak to the manager? Do I thank the manager? Like what is the right process to do when I'm there? Or do I just go and get the bag and see the bag and just enjoy that moment, and then the rest of this we'll deal with the next time I go? I honestly don't even, I just want to go and I want to get the bag, and I just want to get it now. I have to wait 4 days because no appointment. I got the call today. I have no appointment. There are no appointments tomorrow. They're closed the next 2 days. Sunday, Monday, so Tuesday I'm going, okay? So today is Friday. I got the call today. So I'm just like, I can't wait this long. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what happened exactly and then explain it. And I'm gonna give you a background of my like life and story with this and why this is such a big deal if you're new here. But you guys, I can't. Like, I wanna just go get it and then just have it, and then like, I'm already thinking about my second, third one. Is that bad? But like, I don't want to spend more to have to get the next one. I know it's like easier to get the next one, but like how much do I have to spend in between now? Like I have so many questions about this whole process, but I want to know why they finally chose me. Why this one, why this bag, what was about this bag? And a lot of these questions I'll probably ask in the room. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not. So you guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys have any thoughts on I made a request. I said I was okay with Togo. I was okay with Clemence. I was okay. Only wanted gold hardware, neutrals, dark colors, dark deep colors, or very bright pops of colors, but no yellow, no pastels, no. My first choice option was chai. Then I said I could do like a black, blue nuit, like a deep blue or deep purple, like anemone, like those kind of colors. I also said I would be open to like a bright red, but I said gold hardware, non-negotiable. I don't want Epsom, I don't want Swift, I don't want exotic. And it's 30 or 35 for Birkin, and I said 20 or 32 or 35 for a Kelly. Red Tourne only, and those were kind of my specs for both. So if you're new here, basically I've been working towards getting my Birkin, working on my Birkin for 2 years now. I started really started spending at Hermes in August, September of 2021. Then I switched to New SA in January of 2022, made a new wish list in March with this person for Birkin, and like April, May for a Kelly. And then I've been spending pretty consistently for the past year and a half with them, and you can see all my other videos, what I bought, things like that. I did a lot of online shopping too, separate, but I guess that does work towards my account, which I didn't think it did because I bought a lot of bags online, a lot of bags online, maybe too many bags online. But I bought from every category. I was very nice, friendly, and I guess I could talk more about like everything I did after I get the bag because I don't want to jinx it. But like, I don't know. I was just, I waited. I was frustrated. I went to France a few times, tried to get it there, didn't get it there. I have been frustrated with the process. I have expressed my frustrations, but I've never been mean or complaining. I did get a little upset once, but other than that, I think I've been pretty good. I haven't like gone to the managers or anything like that. But anyway, who cares about all that? Okay, so basically I got 4 missed calls today, and I don't know why, because we've been talking recently about like, a couple things. Like I've stopped spending for a little bit because I wanted to wait and see, and I haven't gone in a little while, but I have checked in just about the bag, like any updates, and and they've been pretty good about letting me know that they're checking and trying to see what they can do. And I have the feeling that I was like, it was coming, but like I've been waiting for so long, like this, since like the last time I went in was June, I think. So it's been 3 months. And at that point, I felt like I wasn't going to get it anytime soon because I had bought so many things online. Like, not that was, but from what other people have told me, and also from what I could tell, like I had bought a lot of leather, right? So like, why are they going to give me another bag? But I think that, I don't even know why. I don't even care. Like I've been so upset and so struggling for so long and so about this whole process. And I don't even care about the whole process because I'm going in and I'm getting it. And I don't care what it is. I'm probably gonna accept whatever it is. I feel like I should accept my first offer. What do you guys think? If I don't like it, should I reject it? I mean, if I really hate it, I won't get it. But if it's like something I like, I'm okay with, I think I'll just, no, it has to be something I love. Okay, actually, I already know what it is. So I know the color, I know the size, I know everything. It's not exactly the color I wanted, but it is a very good color, a neutral, a coveted color. It's popular, it's timeless, it's classic, staple. So I'm not worried about if I won't like it. I'm sure I'll fall in love with it when I see it, but it's not like one of my list colors, I don't think. But it is close to, I think. It is close to one of my colors. I understand, I think why. And basically, so they called me 4 times, and I was scared because I was like, I thought they were gonna call me and tell me, look, I'm not getting a bag this year. I gotta wait until next year because I have been a little bit insistent about it. They said, I'm calling to let you know I am able to offer. I spoke to my managers and I'm able to offer you this bag, this size, this color, this hardware, and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, I literally blacked out. I couldn't even hear it. And then I was like, oh my God, okay, blah, blah, blah. And then I asked a bunch of questions. And then my essay was like, I gotta go. I'll call you back later. But then we didn't. And then we just texted and basically made an appointment for the first appointment Tuesday. Well, at the end of the day, because I want to take my mom and I want to take my friend. So I have to do it at the end of the day. And so we're going on Tuesday at 5 to go get it. And I'm so excited. I will document the whole thing, you guys. I'm really excited, but it's happening. And I'm really happy with, the size is good. It's got the hardware I want, gold hardware, which is what I wanted. I think gold hardware, which was my non-negotiable. I said Togo or Clemence. I kind of wanted more Clemence. I don't know if I can ask and see if they have a different color. Another neutral, I feel like they probably don't. I feel like that's a weird thing to ask, but I might do that thing where like, I love this so much, I'm gonna get it, but it's gonna kill me if I don't ask. Can I just ask? Are there any other options available, or how is this one chosen for me, or something like that? Maybe something like that. I don't know. We'll see. I have to feel it out and see how it actually feels because I don't want to be unappreciative. I'm very excited about this, and I know it's a big whatever. For those of you that aren't into this, I don't mean why would you not be into this if you're on this channel? But if you're not into this or you're new to this channel, it's just such a feat to get one. And yes, it is they're offering you something that you don't exactly want. You're gonna take it. That's a marketing scam. Whatever. That's this. That's that. No, it's very hard to get. They're very limited, and they're doing the best they can with what they can. And this is what's available in the shipment, and that's what they can offer right now, and that's what I'm going to take, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to take it because I know I'm going to like it when I see it. I just would have preferred a different color first, but that's okay because I know that I'm going to get more. This is just my first daddy. And I want to ask about how I can get my second one and how the process for that, and also just what I buy, and my wish list for that and wish list for other bags. I'm going to try to start a profile for my mom too because I want her to get one because she's very excited about this for me. My sister's also really excited too, but she's out of town. She wanted to come, but she's like, no, don't wait for me. Just go. And I was like, okay, fine. Because I was going to wait for her. Okay. That's all I got right now. You guys, I literally don't know how I'm going to last the next 4 days, waiting around. I'm literally have so much anxiety. I'm looking online. I'm going to go, I'm going to go to the Real or I'm going to go somewhere else and just try on this bag. I already made a request and said they don't have it in the store. So I made a request. I I said, can you bring this bag in? So he's gonna bring it in so I can try it on and see it, compare it to the other ones and see, kind of feel. I'm gonna feel them all, get a feel so I know everything I need to know before I go in. So I'm fully educated, the different leathers of this, to that. And I've done it all before, but like now it's like, it's real. Like before it was just ethereal, like whatever. It's real, it's happening, it's real, it's happening. I'm dying, you guys. I can't. Okay, stick around. I will try to do a vlog if they allow me to. I know they don't like really filming in the store, so I might do a vlog after, and I might not show that much, but what I can show I will, and then I will do a full unboxing later, obviously. Obviously. So stay tuned for that next week. You guys, working by working, I worked, I birked, I got it. It's happening. I'm so excited. You guys, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support and help, for your advice, everything like that. Let me know in the comments below if you have any thoughts. Let me know in the comments below if you have any thoughts about your first Birkin, what you liked, what you don't like about it, like what you said, if you rejected, if you didn't, you leather, the regrets, the things you liked. Let me know in the comments below. I'm so excited, you guys. Well, I got it. You like me. You really like me. Oh, it's happening. I'm getting this validation. I'm getting it from the store. It's something I've been waiting for. I'm so excited. Today, Friday, September 22nd. Okay. I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time with me. Guys, I got it. It's coming. It's happening.